Salut! If you ever come to France, you might need a place to stay. The most popular option is still l'hôtel. L'hôtel. Which hotels can you stay at in France? How much does it cost? Will the staff be friendly? How can you book a night? Which specific French sentences do you need to get the most out of your hotel night in France? So many questions. Let's dive in straight in. I'm Géraldine. Bienvenue to Comme Française TV. Sound French, even to the French. France has many hotels to welcome you, especially in places with many tourist activity, such as Paris and La Provence, southern France. Hotels are ranked according to several criteria such as room size, TV, staff availability, and number of languages spoken. This leads up to a ranking in Les Étoiles, stars from 1 to 5. In any hotel with more than 1 star, the staff needs to be able to speak English as well. Different offers leads to different prices. In 1-star hotels, you will pay around 40 euros a night. 2-star hotels will be around 70 euros a night, and 3-star hotels are worth around 100 euros a night. After that, the prices skyrocket. 4-star hotels bill around 200 euros a night, and 5 stars are far more depending on the hotel you're going to. The more expensive cities for hotels are Paris, the capital of course, Nice in the south by the sea, and Chamonix, the high-class skiing resort in the Alps. The average price for a hotel night is around 150 euros in these 3 cities. But it doesn't mean that cheap options are not available either. Yes, the most well-known French hotels are often un palace or luxury hotel, such as le Ritz or le Georges V in Paris. But there are also big hotel chains with standardized comfort for a wide array of prices. You can find them in many French cities and they make for a safe bet. Some of them are cheaper, such as Hôtel F1, Formule 1. Most of them are middle price, such as Mercure, and Campanile. And then you have some family-friendly, more expensive hotels, such as Novotel and Ibis as well. But there are also many independent hotels all over the country. Some of them are part of the prestigious network called Relais et Châteaux, who also provide great restaurants to eat at. But to be fair, you also have other options other than just hotels for your stay in France. If you don't mind losing some kind of comfort, you can try le camping in campsites, or sleeping in une auberge de jeunesse, a youth hostel, or even couchsurfing. For a comfortable room, but with a more authentic view into French people's life than in a standardized hotel, you can try une chambre d'hôte, a bed and breakfast, maybe on Airbnb. More unconventionally, I would also recommend un gîte de France. This is a French network of holiday homes in the countryside available for rental. You can rent one by the week and stay there with your family in a fully equipped home with rooms, bathrooms, a kitchen, and everything you need. And typically they're set in the gorgeous areas in the French countryside. You can often chat with the owners who sometimes live nearby. Give it a try if you can, but let's get back to hotels. Comment réserver un hôtel? How can you book a hotel? Making une réservation, a booking or reservation can be a daunting task. First, there are 3 main ways to find yourself a hotel. First one is browsing dedicated websites such as Trivago or Hotel.com or Expedia and all these kinds of websites. Or you can simply look up Hôtel A, nom de la ville, Hôtel A, nom de la ville on your favorite web search engine. And if you're feeling bold, at last you can try l'Office du Tourisme, the tourist office in the city you're visiting. They will be able to show you all the available hotels in your chosen area. They will also be able to provide more local information and other options such as local bed and breakfast, for instance. Once you've chosen your hotel, you can also check out the hotel's own website. They can sometimes offer a better price, and it's often worth it to call them on the phone. You will be able to get more information directly, and you can even try to get une ristourne, maybe a discount. Une ristourne. Don't try too hard, but that's something to keep in mind. Anyway, what specific sentences can you use to book a hotel night on the phone in French? Well, you can try something like Bonjour, j'aimerais réserver une chambre pour le mois prochain s'il vous plaît. Ce serait possible? Bonjour, j'aimerais réserver une chambre pour le mois prochain s'il vous plaît. Ce serait possible? Hello, I would like to book a room for next month, please. Do you think it's possible? Ce sera pour 2 personnes et 3 nuits du 10 au 13. Ce sera pour 2 personnes et 3 nuits du 10 au 13. On partira le 13 au matin. On partira le 13 au matin. We will be 2 people for 3 nights from the 10th to the 13th. We will leave on the morning of the 13th. Merci beaucoup. Je suis irlandaise, j'ai vu votre hôtel sur booking.com. J'ai préféré vous contacter directement. Merci, je suis irlandaise, j'ai vu votre hôtel sur booking.com, mais j'ai préféré vous contacter directement. Thanks a lot, I'm from Ireland, I saw your hotel on booking.com, but I wanted to contact you directly. S'il vous plaît, vous pensez que vous pouvez faire un geste pour compenser leur remise peut-être? S'il vous plaît, vous pensez que vous pouvez faire un geste pour compenser leur remise peut-être? Do you think you could make a gesture of goodwill to compensate their discount? Please? Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup. Then they will ask you for your name, information and other stuff. And soon enough, you will be in your French hotel. À l'hôtel, you will find le réceptionniste. Le réceptionniste at la réception. La réception. They will give you la clé de votre chambre, la clé de votre chambre, the key to your room. Or de votre suite, maybe, de votre suite. There you will find your bed. It can be un lit simple, a single bed, un lit double, a double bed, or maybe a queen size bed or a king size bed, but it's not very common in France. Or maybe des lits superposés in a hostel, des lits superposés, bunk beds. Close by you will find la salle de bain, the bathroom, and maybe le coin cuisine, a mini kitchen that's been allowed in hotel rooms since 2015. While you're in the hotel, check out if le restaurant is any good, and depending on your hotel, you can go and enjoy la piscine, the swimming pool, or le sauna or any other equipment. And finally, don't forget to ask the receptionist for any help they can give you while you're here. They might be able to suggest some good local restaurants or provide lesser known tips about the neighborhood. Hope it helps. Et toi, have you ever stayed at a hotel in France? Tell me your story in the comment section in French if you dare. I would love to hear from you. If you're on YouTube, you will find a link below this video to the blog commeunefrancaise.com. On the site, I read all the comments and answer all your questions as well. Want more, like an exclusive lesson on how to use grocery lists and day-to-day tricks to improve your French? Subscribe now to join my everyday French crash course. It's a free 10-day mini course to sound French even to the French, and it's super easy to join. Leave me your first name and your email and you will receive lesson 1 immediately. Best of all, it's free. Merci for watching Comme une Française TV, sound French even to the French. Allez, salut!